Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open both workbooks and keep them side by side so you can see cells. You'll save time and avoid broken paths. First, pick the exact cell or table you want to reference because precise ranges reduce errors. Next, choose a linking method. Direct formula for single cells, table references for expanding ranges, or Power Query for repeated imports. Once decided, make sure both files are saved at stable paths. Relative paths work only when files live together. Start with a direct link for quick single values. In the destination cell type equals, switch to the source workbook, click the cell, then enter. Excel writes the external reference. If data expands, convert the source range to a table Ctrl+T and refer to table name column. This adjusts as rows add. For repeatable imports or joins, use data get data from workbook. Load to a table and set refresh options. Make sure calculation mode is automatic so links update. After creating links, save both workbooks and close the source, then reopen the destination to confirm the link survives. Use data edit links to update or change the source path and to set automatic or manual updates. If a link breaks, check the full file path, exact workbook and sheet names, and ensure the source was saved, not just open. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see #ref or stale values, re-establish the source by opening it. Then use edit links to update the reference immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.